Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So we are on week 3 of our eco-friendly crochet along. This week we're doing the top part of the bag, and we might start on the strap of it. I haven't decided yet, so we're going to see what happens as we go. But we are going to do the top part of the bag today. This involves some color changes, and it's really pretty and super simple, so I cannot wait to show you. So I'm going to grab my bag and my hook, and let's get started. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. All right, so we are back with week 3. So like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough yarn to do what I want to show you. So if we don't, that's fine. We'll just do a regular round 10. But I think this is actually what I did on the original bag. So we're going to double crochet in the first stitch. And then we are going to skip this stitch and put a double crochet here. And then we're going to go and put a double crochet in the stitch that we skipped. And then we're going to skip the next stitch and put a double crochet in the one right after, and then put a double crochet in the stitch that we skipped. And we're going to keep doing this. I'm going to see if I'm going to have enough yarn to do this. I don't know if I will, and that's okay. But I'm pretty sure that this is what I did originally, and we might have just changed it. Because maybe I ran out of yarn and I can't remember now. But I'm going to keep doing this around and see what happens. This is what it looks like. So it gives you these pretty like twisted X stitches. But I'm going to see if I have enough yarn for this, and I will be back with you guys in just a second. All right, it looks like we're gonna have enough yarn, so I'm gonna keep these in here. Like I said, you can do it normal, like the pattern has it written, and do the regular round 10. That's totally okay. But looking at the blue one, I think I did the twisted stitches on this one too. So I'm not sure, I don't remember why I changed it, but that's okay. We're gonna do it this way for right now. And then for our next round for 17, what we're going to do, I've already joined these, but I'm going to take this part apart, and I'm going to grab the cream color, or the shell color, I guess is what it's called. And we're going to use this color to do our join. So we're going to insert our hook into the top of the previous row, and we're going to pull through with our shell color and chain 1. And then we're just going to single crochet with shell in every stitch around. Don't have to do anything fancy with those, with the X stitch or anything like that. You just single crochet in each stitch. And that's the way that I change colors for pretty much everything. If I'm going to change a color, I will use the new color to finish the previous stitch. Then we will insert our hook into the top of the first single crochet, and we'll grab our working yarn here, and we will slip stitch those together and chain 1, and then we'll single crochet around with our moss color as well. So this might have been why we changed our stitches. So I'm assuming because I left a bit longer of a tail, that's why I'm running out of yarn. I might be a little bit looser this time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to grab my shell color and change back here. And it's just gonna be a little bit off, but for me that's okay. If you crochet a little bit looser or anything like that, I wouldn't recommend doing the twisted stitches unless you had another skein of yarn. If you had 2 skeins of the moss color, go for it. If you just have the one and you crochet a little bit looser, or you have a little bit longer of a tail, I would just do a regular round 10 for your round 16. That's probably why I changed it, because I ran out of yarn and I didn't remember that, and that's okay. So I just have a little bit extra right there. Not a big deal. This bag is going to go to my daughter anyway, and she's going to love it regardless. So I'm fine with that. All right, so we have the top part of our bag done. So this is what it looks like where I have that little mistake, which is fine. Like I said, not a big deal. It looks fine because this is going to be on a strap side anyway, so I just keep this closer to my body and I won't have to worry about it. No big deal, but it's really pretty and I love this. So yeah, so next week we will do the strap. I was gonna do it this week, but I think we're good to just wrap it up here. And then next week we'll do our strap and finish up our bag, and we will be all good to go. And don't forget, make sure you're tagging me over on Instagram so I can see your finished projects. And yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!